back again with another one. I'm about to put a VCM muzzler on this 2008 Honda Accord, 3.5 liter. This is the thermostat plug. It's a little switch. It's a little plug right here. What you need to do is just put your hand down there and push that clip, and then pull it out. The reason being, we're about to hook up a VCM muzzler to this, okay? This is the VCM muzzler. I bought it on Amazon. It comes with a little connector clip right here that was not in. What you have to do when you get it, these two black wires, they're not connected to this when it comes in. What you have to do is connect it. You see right here? It's a little push button. You push that down and put one side of the black wire in it. You push the next side down, put the next side of the black wire in it. Next thing you have to do is, you got to find, it comes with these resistors. You got to use the 68 ohms, the least resistor first. What you're trying to do is to not let your economy light comes back on in your car. Because when the economy light comes on in a 2008 Honda Accord 3.5 liter, it runs on 3 cylinders when the eco come on. And that's how this motor is getting messed up. You might get foul spark plugs or too much oil burning. So that's why I'm trying to replace that. Okay, if you don't know which one is 68 ohms, what I did was I went online and I punched in 68 ohm resistor color code and look at the color codes, and you'll know which one is 68. That's the least one. It have another end. You push the same button and you put one end here and one end in the next one. What I did was, you see how long they is? I cut them about that short. So when I put them in this thing, you see how close they is and how it's sitting? That's how you want it to be. It comes with a little box that you put this in when you finish. It goes in here. You might have to take some of this off because this will not fit. And one side will be good. Next side you're going to have to eliminate because you're going to have to show more wires to let this go in this box. So it usually goes in like this. Let me show you. Let me put it in, then I'm going to show you how it goes in. That is how you want to sit it in there. It can't go there this way. This got to go this way. It won't fit. And those lines got holes on the side. They put those in. That's why I tell you got to cut one of these back, because they're not back enough for you to turn this all the way around. Okay, so now when you get that, you get this little cap. And you just put it back on top and close it. That's it. That's the VCM muzzler. It's a cheap one. I don't know if it's going to work, but I'm going to try it. So a while ago, I told you to disconnect your thermostat housing. Right here. The plug. This plug. What's going to happen is, we're going to plug the same VCM muzzler on top of that. Okay? So find the part that go on here, and we're gonna plug it in. Give me a second so I can relocate. It goes like this. I'm trying to put it on while you're watching, and then you hear that, snap that in. Then what you're going to do is, the other end that you have that used to be plugged in down there, now it's going to be plugged in at the end of the other plug. See that? So these two, you're going to plug those two together. All right? Go ahead and do that. See? That's how it should look. Plug that into one end of the VCM muzzler and plug the VCM muzzler to that temperature switch. Not the other one. This one is the one you need to go to. All right, because it have 2 temperature switches in this car. That's why we at the front one to trick it. This not gonna stay here. I'm gonna tie wrap it up so it won't move around. But for right now, I'm gonna leave it there until I figure out which resistor works for me. That's the end of this video, showing you how to hook up the VCM Muzzler to a 2008 Honda Accord 3.5 liter. So until next time, tell a friend, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Big up to the Virgin Island, St. Croix, St. Thomas, St. John, Kiba, Dandada, Seso. Big up St. Croix. Massive. To the next video, you know what to do. Hit that button, subscribe, turn that bell on. So when I post new videos, you'll be the first to get it. To the next one.